So we poured our concrete, and next it needs to cure. But in order to do so and not crack, it needs lots and lots of water. So we set up sprinklers on our poured pad to keep it wet and keep it from cracking. Next, we remove the forms. Luckily, that's a lot faster than putting them up. There's a lot of debris caught between the vapor barrier and the concrete. Sarah removed all that debris with a vacuum so we could fold up the tarp against the concrete and support it with dirt from the outside.
Even lift it.
Do not put your foot right there. Now you got to go all the way in. Here, I'll do it.
Okay, so here comes the flex base. We're gonna build up where the driveway, where the garage goes. So here's what about 16 tons or 1 truckload of flex base looks like before it gets spread out. So we should be able to fill up the driveway area so that the trucks can deliver the lumber straight onto the slab, which would be a big help that we don't have to move it twice. So the rougher white concrete that you're seeing is what we had left over from pouring the slab. They put it in a clean out area and left us a pile there that we ended up having to break up with the jackhammer and moved it over here so that we've got a little bit of a base, but now we need to fill it in with the finer flex base. So Wolf's on his way with Casey and is going to start moving the flex base a little bit. Got to get back out of the way. Then I'll help spread it out. So are you excited?
I'm getting there.
Why are you excited?
Because tomorrow is lumber delivery day
For...
to the first floor.
Alright.
Yep.
That's good.
We got everything prepared. We got the driveway leveled out and sloped towards the garage so they can drive on top of the garage slab and unload it there.
That's good. So tomorrow's the big day.
Well, I don't know if it's the big day, but it's certainly a big day.
Yeah. Looking forward to it.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's hope they're not delivering it too late in the day.
Well,
Seeing as the delivery window you get is between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m.
yeah, pretty short.
Yeah. I don't think that leaves them enough slack.
Well, that's the way it is. Okay,
Yeah.
well, we'll talk again tomorrow.
Yep. Good luck.
Well, we got the lumber delivery this morning. It was a little bit of a hassle because they delivered without us being here. So we had to have them come back and move some things around after we got here. You know, best laid plans once again. But it's here, and that's the important thing, and we actually got everything that we were hoping for. This is only part of it. The rest of it, it's a little bit difficult to see because of the sun, but here's all of our tongue and groove subfloor, these big stacks, and then we've got the great big long headers that go for the back windows.
Yeah, these go over the very back wall. Those are probably going to be some of the last pieces we're going to put on there.
And then we've got a bunch of the OSB over here and some of the pressure treated sill plates.
That's our sheathing for the house, the outside.
There's the sheathing stack. And we've got screws and nails.
Bottom plates for the walls. Over there, that long stack that's not wrapped, those are the top plates. And then that's the sheathing for the walls. Then the stack that's wrapped, those are all the studs, the 2x6 by 104 and 5/8 studs. And then of course, you know, you get things delivered and they pack it in a neat package so they can move it around, which is great. The only problem is that on the stack on the very right, over there, all of that material that's on top of the 2x10s and the 2x12s down there, all of that material actually goes to the second floor. So we won't need that until we start the second floor. So we're going to have to take all of that material and stack it elsewhere so we can get to the 2x10s and the 2x12s, because the 2x12s are going to be the headers for the large windows.
And you can see that there's some of the shorter lumber underneath on the second stack, the stack that's in the middle. So it's going to be a little bit of materials management issues.
All right. Now are you getting excited?
Yes.
You are?
Yes, I'm ready for all the work to get started on framing the house. But I'm not looking forward to the heat.
Nope, me neither. Our inventory manager.
Yes.
So,
Well, it's time to get to work.
time to get to work.
Got all the lumber here, so it's time to get busy framing. That's all I have to say.
Okay.